Hey family, hey family, hey family. So it is coming to an end for the season, and it's time to get out and find some good clearances. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Alright family, it's that time of season to be hitting your big box stores to get your clearance items. All on clearance for $1 a bag. Times are hard, so you have to do what you have to do. The garden and the animals still have to eat. 30 bags of feed, and they are going in this 5-gallon bucket, and I will give the bigger trees 1 cup once a month, and I will give the smaller trees a half a cup once a month. Container plants need more food than in-ground plants. So I got them organized. These are the rose, evergreen, and all of these are the tomato and vegetable garden. So now I'm finna get ready to mix. The NPK is not that much different on them. So I'm just gonna mix them all into the 5-gallon bucket, and that's gonna be that on that. And this is what's left. So I'm gonna need another 5-gallon bucket or 2. Family, so I'm back at it again. And this water soluble plant food is $9.97, but it is ringing up $4.50. And you can use those for foliar spray on the leaves, or you can mix it with water and pour in the soil. And then they have the smaller one, which is this one, for $1.50. So the 1.5 pounds is $1.50, and the 5 pound is $4.50. So I'll come out cheaper getting the bigger one for $4.50 than all the small ones. All right, so let's scan the small one. It's coming up $1.50. Let's do the bigger one, 5 pound, and it's coming up $4.50. So it's cheaper getting the bigger one than it is getting the smaller one. So I'm gonna get a few smaller ones. This formula feed is mainly gonna be for the citrus, since they have nutrient deficiencies way quicker and faster than anything else that I have in the garden. And we still finding more bags of fertilizer, and we found these worm castings on clearance too. This stuff is cheap, 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 cheap. The most we've paid since we've been doing our clearance shopping for the garden is gonna be this $4.50 for the water soluble plant food. But oh, and I found some pillows for $1 too, y'all. $1. Pillows, $1. So it be some good bonding time when we be in here clearance shopping. So y'all get on out and get y'all some of this garden clearance or whatever kind of clearance. All right, family. So I'm at another one. These ringing up for $3. These are $4. Those are $1. All this on clearance. Everything is on clearance. I got some of these. He steady putting stuff in. $2.50. The big bag is $4.
Big bag, $4.
Got to get that there.
Why that little bag, that's $4.
Food spikes, $1. I don't like the spikes. It keeps the fertilizer in one spot.
$4.50.
What is that?
I ain't want that.
That's a big bag though.
Yeah, boy, 3, 5, and 6.
Shoot, if the world ending something better than nothing, y'all better believe it. These bags here, $2.50. Worm castings, $4.50. Yeah, we hitting these clearance again.
These were $4 at dozen.
That was $4.50. And the small ones, $1.50.
Yeah, $1.50.
The small ones are $1.50. They was $1.50 the other one too. All right, y'all. So we're gonna get what we gonna get. Cause baby, if the world ends, we got to have fertilizer in order to get food. Unless you got tons and tons of compost. And it take food and stuff to make compost, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and get what I'm gonna get. They got a lot of Miracle-Gro stuff on clearance. But y'all know, only time I use Miracle-Gro for some soil, and they got to be on sale for $1 or so. But as far as the food, I don't really get that. But ain't nothing wrong with it, y'all. To each his own. You know, garden still got to eat, so we can eat. So do what you got to do. No judgment here. Look, yeah, but they're working their phone. They got the Dr. Earth bags for $4.50. Yeah, I'm stocking up on on fertilizer. I normally stock up just soil, but my soil pile lasted 2.5 years. 2.5 years, nigga.
Yeah. Yeah, 2.5.
So we down to the little or nothing. So this year I'm mainly gonna stock up on fertilizer. Now I'm gonna get them $2 bags of soil too, but as far as fertilizer, that's my main goal this season on clearance. Cause that's what's wrong with a lot of our gardens is that we keep forgetting to feed. The most important thing. We think water is the most important thing, but feeding is just as important as watering.
It is 24.86. That one ain't number 10.
10.
What is it? 10, 2, and 6.
It is, and it's on clearance for $9.50.
It's less than the Miracle Grow. It's 10, 20.
Well, we don't want the Miracle Grow anyway. And then they got this new stuff, fuzz and feed. Don't nobody want no phone trying to feed. We be trying to feed. It be 100 degrees
10,
outside.
2, and 6.
Okay, we're going to leave that there. So we looking for high numbers. We tired of these low number NPKs. That's another thing that be wrong with our garden is that we keep buying food with low NPKs. And that's why we got to feed so often and burn up and sweat to death because we got these low NPKs. We going all in. All right, y'all. Catch you in the next clip.